Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's ChristyRocksXO. In today's video, we are going to be decorating this area here for Halloween. This is a new area that I have not decorated for Halloween before, and I'm really excited to level it up here because it's been an area in my home that I've been wanting to decorate, and I do have a video of me decorating this area before, but I did take that desk out and use it for my makeup room because I do my own nails on that desk. Anyways, so I'm going to be adding a whole new little vignette here. So if you're ready to decorate for Halloween, then keep on watching. Alright, so here my husband and I are prepping the wall, getting it ready for a mirror that we are going to be hanging. Here I'm showing you these anchors that we are going to be placing into the stucco because I am not on a stud. So if you're not on a stud and you're going to be hanging something heavy, you want to use these anchors. Otherwise, your mirror is going to rip right through your stucco or create a huge nasty hole. So I'm just, sharing that little tip with you. Make sure you use these anchors if you're hanging anything heavy on stucco and not on a stud. And here is the mirror all hung. I absolutely love this round mirror with a black trim. I did share this mirror with you over on my Instagram at ChristyRocksXO, so make sure you follow me over there for videos like that. And now I place this side table here. I love this side table. I will be linking this side table in my description down below. Anything that I could find from the mirror to the decor pieces to the side dresser, I'm going to be linking down below. So make sure you check out those links. Here I'm adding this black tray that I picked up at home last year. I'm sure they still have it. And your girl's going to be adding some Spanish moss because that's my thing. Your girl loves her Spanish moss. I just think it adds that spooky, vibe that I go for. And I'll also be adding some green moss. And I picked all of this up at Dollar Tree. Now I'm putting this close together, and I'll be adding this spooky doll head and these creepy fingers. I'm going to be sticking that in my cloche, and of course, I added some Spanish moss and some green moss. And then, so now I'm adding this a little patita, this little leg. So, I decorate in a whole witch theme, so I like to set up my house as if the witch is here and she can bust a spell wherever she's at. She likes to decorate with all of her trinkets and her who's its and what's its. So, that's the vibe I go for. Here I'll be adding this beautiful mirror that I picked up at Michael's a couple years ago. And I'm also going to be adding this spooky little rat here on my cloche. And I'm going to be doing that with glue dots. I want it to look as if the rat or the mouse is climbing on everything, getting into things he's not supposed to be. But guess what? He's going to end up in my cauldron anyways. Ha 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 ha. going to move on to the bottom of this table, and I'll be adding this a basket that I picked up at Ross. It's so pretty. I love the contrast between the brown and the black. Once again, I did haul this over on my Instagram. I like to do small little hauls over there. And this blanket came from Home Goods a couple years ago. I've had it, I just haven't used it, and I thought this would be the perfect time to use it. So I'm just going to place it in the basket. I want it to look kind of messy, you know, like if someone just threw it in there. I think that looks the best. All right, my spooky little witches, that's going to end it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give your girl a big thumbs up. It keeps me motivated and it keeps you away from all the spooky spells. So if you need more Halloween, go ahead and look down below. I will leave all of my Halloween videos that I've done so far in 2021 down below. And don't get lost, because I will be doing a full decor tour, and I have a little surprise for you over in my living room that you are going to love. So get subscribed, hit the notification bell, and until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye.